So if you saw my last video, it was installing the blind motor. And this was a Bluetooth only one, and this is the package it came in, and it's currently installed there on the wall. But then I couldn't get the tension right because there's no tension adjustment. It's just pull the motor down until it's about right and then trying to fix it in place. So I tried it with the 3M adhesive at first and it wasn't quite right. This kept slipping, and then I ended up with like bulges as it was coming down because it was getting out of place. So this seemed to be about right. As you can see, it has closed and it's gone to the right level, and this is still not making contact with the housing. But it does mean that it's not quite aligned to where I want it to be. Also, this is only on a clock timer, and also from the last video you might have seen that the app is pretty terrible, so trying to adjust it wasn't ideal. This all kind of defeats the point of what I wanted from this product. So I'm replacing this with this one. Now, I'll leave a link to this one in the description. Already I think this is going to be a much better product. So the packaging's quite a lot nicer, a lot more information on there. The key thing that I wanted is that I wanted it to be compatible. So this works with the Tuya Smart and Smart Life apps. So I'm going to be using the Smart Life app because I believe that it has a bit more flexibility, and it also has if this then that functionality, whereas Tuya doesn't. But I think they're basically the same thing. So this is everything that comes in the box. Obviously you've got the motor itself, and the key thing there is that it has this stick out point here, which is adjusted by that, which means that when it goes on the plate, you've actually got a bit of tension adjustment there. It also comes with some gears, just like the other one. There is one already in there. And the UK mains plug. So this one won't work with the solar panel, and that's one of the key giveaways. So I should have paid more attention to this. The solar panel ones are Bluetooth only. There's no Wi-Fi ones with a solar panel. So if you want the functionality that I'm after, which is home assistant support and Google and Echo support, you need a Wi-Fi one or a Zigbee one. But I've gone for the Wi-Fi version, as you can see on the manual. It also comes with a remote. So first things first, let's take the old one off. What I'm actually going to do, now that I've mounted the 3M pad, I'm going to take this out, check to see whether this is the gear that we need, and then attach that onto there. See how that clips in. To adjust the tension, you can push that in and it can move along. I'm going to suggest to mount this roughly halfway in its travel, so it gives you a bit of leeway up and down. So now you can see if I need to adjust the tension, I can just press that and it can move up and down until I've got the right amount of tension. So about there seems fine. I believe if it makes noise, that's too tight. So we'll see. Okay, so let's add a device. That says searching. So let's try and put this in pairing mode, which I believe is left in the middle. Okay, so in Smart Life, small home appliances, scroll down until I've got to motor, and then there's the one I want, curtain Wi-Fi. So then once that's added, then you can make sure that you're on the 2.4 gigahertz version of your Wi-Fi, put in the password there, and then when you click next, and then you can control it from the app. You'll see that it says here though that the motor will not respond to the app after connection until step 4, set limits on the device, which I can confirm that nothing is happening because it doesn't know the limits of where it's supposed to be. So let's set that up. So to set the limits, push up. You want to stop it when it gets close to the end of its travel. So it looks like this. That's there. Let's hold the middle. Now that's flashing. Let's press down. And then we need to stop it once it's at the bottom. Back with the app. And there we go. It's working. Okay, so let's try this. Got the routine set up, so close blinds. Perfect. So there we go, that's that connected. So it does only mean open and close using the voice control, but I don't think at the moment there's a way to say open it 20% and then it opens 20% from wherever it is. But for the meantime, let's get the remote connected and then I'll be happy with that, because realistically all I want is for it to open and close at the same time that the lights come on, which is currently sunrise and sunset. And so the next thing is hold the middle button for about 5 seconds. And there we go. So there we go, that's the difference between the Bluetooth only and the Wi-Fi / Zigbee. I'm assuming it'd be basically the same setup. But this one is definitely the product that I'd recommend more, and this is what I actually wanted from all of this. So there we go. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.